Here I've created a metal band using this cross section, and I want to show you how to do flush setting on this. So let's close the metal band, go for flush setting, choose the surface, choose the shape of the gem and the gem size. You can simply select any one of your options. Now obviously 3 is going to be very big, so let's go for 1.9 by 2, which is probably there in my gem. If I think that this is not how I wanted it to be, I wanted to rotate it, you can rotate it by whatever angle, let's say 45 degrees and so on as well. Let's opt for a 1.6 by 16. You can simply use the O-snaps to make the placement. I want to now change over to rounds. Let's take a size of 1.5. Select and click. If you observe, cancel this, and I'm just hiding the gems. You can see that as per the gem, you will be getting a simple drill for the stone. You can also opt for the seat when you choose the flush settings out here as far as the cutter is concerned.